To always show status indicator on your Galaxy watch face from Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, go to the app screen, find Wearable app, and then tap it, tap watch setting. Next, scroll down the screen, tap advanced features, tap status indicators, and then select show always. With this setting, status indicators will always appear at the top of watch face when your watch is charging, disconnected, has a mode turned on, or has some feature turned on. As the example, let's try to enable a mode. As you can see, the status indicator of the active mode will always be displayed at the top of the watch face. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.